For today's episode, we will define creator fee in the context of NFTs. What is the meaning of creator fee? Creator fees, or creator royalties, are a percentage of each secondary sale of an NFT that is reserved and sent back to the NFT originator. They are optional but prevalent in the NFT space, with many platforms implementing them. When an NFT is sold on a platform like OpenSea, the platform receives the royalty and then sends it to the artist. Some collectors choose not to pay the extra fee, but most NFT enthusiasts support creator royalties to reward creators for their work. Platforms typically offer creators the ability to set royalties, but it is not mandatory, and marketplaces decide whether to implement them. The percentage of the creator fee varies and can be set at the smart contract level. How much is the highest creator fee you received or paid for an NFT, classmate? Please like and subscribe to our channel for more blockchain-related content. If you have any suggestions for future topics, feel free to comment. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode.